BYD surpasses Tesla, the electric shift. The electric vehicle (EV) market is experiencing a significant shift, with China's BYD recently surpassing Tesla as the world's top-selling electric car manufacturer in the fourth quarter of 2023. This marks a notable development in the industry, potentially signaling a turning point in the global EV landscape. Here are some key points to consider. BYD's Q4 2023 sales. BYD sold over 526,000 electric vehicles, excluding hybrids, in the final quarter of 2023, exceeding Tesla's estimated sales of 484,000 units. This achievement marks the first time BYD has secured the top spot in quarterly EV sales. Tesla's 2023 lead. Despite losing the Q4 lead, Tesla maintained its position as the leading EV manufacturer for 2023, delivering approximately 1.81 million vehicles compared to BYD's 1.57 million electric passenger vehicles. Factors contributing to BYD's growth. Several factors have contributed to BYD's recent surge, including strong domestic market. China, the world's largest auto market, has seen a significant rise in EV demand, with electric cars accounting for nearly 40% of all vehicle sales in the country. BYD benefits from this domestic market strength. Vertical integration. BYD has a unique advantage in its vertically integrated business model, meaning it controls various aspects of the production process, including battery manufacturing. This allows for greater control over costs and supply chains. Hybrids including BYD's plug-in hybrid sales, PHEVs. The company's total vehicle sales for Q4 2023 reached a staggering 942,651 units, further solidifying its position as a major player in the global auto industry. This development signifies an intensifying competition in the EV market, with established players like Tesla facing strong challenges from emerging players like BYD. It will be interesting to see how both companies navigate this evolving landscape and how it shapes the future of the electric vehicle industry. Feel free to express your ideas and opinions, whether or not you agree. Thank you for hitting the like button, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my videos with your friends.